What is up, guys? So welcome to iTuber. So today we are going to unbox something pretty funny. Yeah, so today we are going to unbox this geometry box. So let's just cut this up. uh, so here's the freaking wrappers. So the package says Camlin exam mathematical drawing instruments, compass, mechanical pencil, self-centering compass and divider. Okay, so let's just open this up. Nothing fancy. Pack 7 2017 product, mathematical drawing instruments, MRP INR 115. So so here's the box. Okay, so there's something like a, what do we say? Don't know. So it's a mechanical pencil. Hope you all can see it. Let me just focus on this. Yeah, that's funny. So let's just focus over here. So here's a self-centering compass. Okay. So then here comes the ruler. Whatever. And the protractor, paper, what do we call it, set square, paper set square. Okay, so funny. That's funny. So eraser and the other lead pencil. Let me just, here it is. Okay, so this says 2.0 mm pen pencil. Okay, so oh, holy shit. Just focus on this pencil. Oh, is it not focusing? Okay, so focused. Okay, so this is the pencil nib. Let me just compare it with this pencil nib. Holy shit. Just see the difference in both the nibs. And the difference is actually super. See how thin this is and how thick this is. So that's this. And guys, I'm not going to bring these videos back. So just subscribe for more good things. I'm going to bring hookah tutorials and some vlogs maybe, and some funny vines maybe. Anything is possible. Bye guys, subscribe and peace.